Hi there, Zubayer here. Today I will set up Meta, Pixel and Conversion API on Unbound landing page, and we will set up the form submission tracking, and we will send the data using Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. This is the landing page where we will set up the tracking, and this is the form that we will track, and we will use this Tag Manager. Last time I did it for Google Ads conversion tracking, and this is the step server that we will use for the conversion API, and this is the Pixel that we use, and we will send the data in here. Okay, first of all we need to set up Google Tag Manager on the landing page. I believe I already set up it. Let me test it on the preview. You can test it. Connect. If it is connected, it means that the Tag Manager is already working in this landing page. Now we need a listener code to track this form submission. I believe I already set up the listener code because I did it last time on it for the Google Ads. So let me check it. Yeah, I have the listener code. Let me test the listener code is working or not. So book now. It should come. Yeah, it is coming. Okay, it is coming, and I see the email address and phone number and name is coming. So we can send the data to improve the event mesh quality on Event Manager. Now, first of all, we need the Meta Pixel template to send the page view event. Then we will send all the events. So let me go to the charts here. Facebook Pixel. Okay, we need to create a variable. This is Meta Pixel ID and constant variable. Then we need this ID. Okay, now save it. Now we will send the page view event. Then we need some extra parameter to improve the event mesh quality. I will do it. First of all, let me set the trigger, and we can use page view or installation all pages, no problem at all, but I recommend use this trigger. Now we need to send the two cookie, the click ID and the browser ID we will send. So first of all we need to create the variable for it. Then we can also need to send the event ID. So let me send event ID first. So we need a variable here called event ID. We can use step default variable, and we need to give some time to sync it. Then we can create. Oh, it is coming. Okay, here it is. So we can use this event. Okay, now we can create the variable. So this is the unique event ID variable. Now we can use it as a event ID. Then save it. Now we need to send the click ID and browser ID. We need to send as a parameter here. So for the browser ID, it will be FBP, and for the click ID, it is FBC. So let me create the FBP first. It means browser ID FBP. It will be first party cookie. So FBP. Then we need to create the FBC, that means the click ID BC, first party cookie FBC. Save it. Okay, now it's good, and we are sending page view event, then trigger installation all pages. Then it is Meta Pixel config. Config means the page view event. Save it. Now we also need to send the lead event. So just copy it and change the setting. That is lead. Then lead event. We already have the trigger, so we can use this one. Unbound form submission. That's great. Now we need to send the email, phone number and name to increase the event mesh quality. So let me do it. It is in the advanced meshing. Here it is customer information. So we will send the email, we will send the phone number. Okay, I already have the variable for the email, that is the data layer variable. Then the phone number. I need to create the name, but let me check the first name and last name here. Okay, first name and last name not appear here, so we can skip it, because to match this name we need a JavaScript code. I don't want to send it right now. Okay, so email and phone number is enough for right now. Okay, it's good. Then trigger is good. We are sending lead. Okay, nice, type it. Okay, now let me test the pixel is working or not. So we can go test event, test it. I guess it's working, but let me reloading it. Okay, page view is coming. Then we can submit the lead here. It's working. Perfect. Okay, lead event is coming, and it is capturing the email, phone number, everything I guess. The Meta Pixel is working. Now we need to send the conversion API data. First of all, we need to link the step server with the tag manager. Then we can send the data. Right now we have already the browser container. Now we need to create the server container. Let me create server container, that is Unbounce server. Now in here we need to trigger it manually. So this one we need, and we need to change it here. Save it, and maybe we can use Unbounce as a name here. So now we need the domain name, the tracking server, to use on the tag manager container setting, then add URL. Okay, nice. Now we also need to send the data on the browser container, it means the web container. So we will use step default data tag. Okay, we will not use the GA4 client, because GA4 client mostly used for the Google. Okay, so we will not doing the Google tracking, so we will use the step data client, this one. Now we need to send the page view and lead event to the server container. Then from the server container we will send the conversion API data. Okay, so first of all we need to send page view, then the lead event. Okay, this is data tag config, then we will use the server URL here. We can create a variable to send easily, so that is step server URL. Then it is constant variable. Okay, nice. Save it. Nice. Then trigger will be this one because I used it for the meta pixel, so it need to be same, otherwise the deduplication will not work. Okay, we will send the same event, same parameter, so we will send the FBP, then FBC, then event ID. Okay, we already have it, so FBP, then FBC, event ID. Nice. Save it. Now we will just copy it and do it for the lead event. So it is data tag lead. We are using this tag to send the data to just server. Okay, we are not doing any analytic or ads tracking here. Okay, so it will be the lead event. We will need to send the generate lead. Okay, generate lead event. Then we will send some user data, the email and phone number. So email, phone number. Trigger will be the lead trigger, lead, then save it. Okay, now we can test it. First of all, we need to preview from the server container. Then we will do it same for the browser container. Is working. Now we need to connect. We should get the page view and lead event as well as here. Okay, I need to create a client here to receive the data. So we need to import the data tag client. So client template, I have the template on my local storage. So let me import it, this one, and save it. Then now we need to create the tag, the client, data client. Now just preview. Now we will able to get the hit here. Page view is coming already. If you check lead event, it will also come, no problem at all. Now we can create Facebook conversion API tag to send data to Facebook. Let me do it. We need to add the template, that is Facebook conversion API created by step.io. Add it. Now we will override the data. So we need the conversion API token, that is meta CAPI token. It is constant variable. We will get the token here on the settings. Scroll down, then you will get the token here. So generate token, just click here, generate it, this one, then use it here. Then we will also need the meta pixel ID. Okay, the same constant variable meta pixel ID. Save it. Now we need the test ID, so you also will create the variable. It is meta pixel test ID, same constant variable. Now we will need to copy the test ID here. This is the test ID that we will use, constant test ID. Now just clear activity. Okay, now trigger will be all pages. Then it is the page view. We have to send the event ID, click ID and browser ID. We will need to send 3 parameter. So event ID, I will create the event ID here. Event ID, that is the event data, so it will be same as we sent here, event ID. Now you also need to send the click ID and browser ID. So you will send browser ID, we will send the click ID. Click ID means FBC and browser ID means FBP. So first of all FBP, that is event data, we will just copy FBP from here and paste here because it is same, FBP. Then it will be browser ID, then it will be the click ID. So this is FBC. Okay, we are sending the event ID, the browser ID, the click ID, all good. It will be meta CAPI config. Yeah, save it. Now we just need to copy and do it for the lead event. Then it is the lead event. Then we will also send the email and phone number as we are sending from browser. So it's here, email and phone number. So we need to create the variable email, event data, that is email address. Save it. Then we need to send the phone number, phone, that the event data as well, phone number. Save it. Now we need to create the trigger for generate lead, because we are sending generate lead from the web container. So it will be generate lead, then save it. Okay, now save it. I think all good. So we are sending the browser ID, click ID, email, phone number and event ID. Okay, now everything should fine and deduplication will also work. Okay, now preview, we should check here as well as we should preview from here. Okay, now we should get page view event. Working, successfully sending the event. Okay, page view is coming from browser. It means the pixel data is coming. Now we should also get the data from server. Yeah, we are getting data server. The deduplication is working. Now we need to send the lead event. So let me do it. Send it, generate lead. The lead event is coming from browser. It should also come from server. Okay, it is successfully sending the data. Okay, we are getting the data from browser as well as server. It should deduplicate very soon. Okay, it can take some time. Okay, but all good because the event ID is same, I guess. Yeah, event ID is same means the deduplication will work. No problem at all. I hope you got my point and you got all my setup. Thank you so much. Alright, I hope you got all my point. But if you have any question, you can comment me, or if you need any help, you can schedule a call with me. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the full video.